V380 Pro Wi-Fi IP Camera Outdoor, Revolutionizing Home Security. Introduction. In today's world, home security is a top priority for individuals and families. The V380 Pro Wi-Fi IP Camera Outdoor is a cutting-edge security solution designed to provide unparalleled protection and peace of mind. With its 12 megapixels 6K resolution, triple lenses, and triple screens, this camera is the ultimate guardian for your home and loved ones. Key features. 1. 12 megapixels 6K resolution. The V380 Pro boasts an impressive 12 megapixels 6K resolution, capturing crystal clear images with exceptional detail. This feature ensures that you can see every aspect of your home's surroundings, day or night. 2. Triple lenses. The camera features triple lenses, providing a wider field of view and allowing you to monitor multiple areas simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for large homes, gardens, or outdoor spaces. 3. Triple screens. The V380 Pro allows you to monitor 3 separate areas on a single screen, making it easy to keep an eye on multiple locations at once. This feature is perfect for parents who want to monitor their children's play areas, or for business owners who need to supervise multiple sections of their premises. 4. Night vision. The camera features advanced night vision capabilities, allowing you to see clear images even in complete darkness. This feature is made possible by the camera's IR LEDs, which provide a range of up to 30 meters. 1. Weather resistance. The V380 Pro is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. This feature ensures that your camera will continue to function flawlessly, regardless of the weather outside. 2. Motion detection. The camera features advanced motion detection capabilities, sending alerts to your smartphone or tablet whenever motion is detected. This feature allows you to respond quickly to potential threats and ensures that you're always aware of what's happening around your home. 3. Two-way audio. The V380 Pro features two-way audio capabilities, allowing you to communicate with visitors or intruders remotely. This feature is particularly useful for parents who want to communicate with their children, or for business owners who need to communicate with customers or employees. Benefits. 1. Enhanced security. The V380 Pro provides unparalleled security for your home and loved ones. With its advanced features and crystal clear images, you can rest assured that your home is protected from potential threats. 2. Peace of mind. The camera's advanced features and motion detection capabilities provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your daily activities without worrying about your home's security. 3. Convenience. The V380 Pro is easy to install and use, with a user-friendly interface that allows you to monitor your home from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. 4. Cost-effective. The camera is a cost-effective solution for home security, providing advanced features at an affordable price. Technical specifications. Camera resolution, 12 megapixels 6K, lens, triple lenses, night vision, IR LEDs, up to 30 meters, weather resistance, IP66 rating, motion detection, advanced motion detection algorithm, two-way audio, built-in microphone and speaker, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, power supply, DC 12V, 1A, operating system, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS. What's included? 1X V380 Pro Wi-Fi IP Camera Outdoor, 1X Power Adapter, 1X User Manual, 1X CD with software and instructions. Conclusion. The V380 Pro Wi-Fi IP Camera Outdoor is a revolutionary home security solution that provides unparalleled protection and peace of mind. With its advanced features, crystal clear images, and user-friendly interface, this camera is the ultimate guardian for your home and loved ones. Whether you're looking to secure your home, monitor your children, or deter potential intruders, the V380 Pro is the perfect choice.